Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to submit an expression of interest or EOI for the Australian Skilled Visa 189, 190, and 491. This is helpful because submitting an EOI is the first step if you want to live and work in Australia, and it is completely free. So first go to Immigration and Citizenship website. On the top menu, click Visas, then click Working in Australia. Scroll down the page until you see SkillSelect, then click it, and then you'll be redirected to the SkillSelect portal. So click Start an EOI, then click Submit on EOI. Tick the checkbox to accept terms and conditions, then click Next. And then you'll see a notification page. Read it, then click Next again. Now, fill in your personal details like your name, date of birth, passport details, and citizenship. And make sure everything matches your passport and documents. And then click Next. So on the next page, review the information that you entered and click Next. After that, create your account by filling in the details on the screen, set your password, answer the questions, then click Next, and then you'll be given an EOI ID. Copy it, then click Next. Now, log in using your EOI ID and password. Check the details on the screen. Check the details on the screen. Click Next to continue, and then select the visa types that you want to apply for, which are 189, 190, or 491. And then click Next. So declare any family members if applicable. Then enter English test results, education history, and employment details. So on the skills assessment page, choose your nominated occupation and complete the form. Review all the information one last time. Go to the declaration page and click Submit. You'll then see your EOI details and points result. If you want a copy, click View EOI to download the PDF. So before submitting, make sure you have your passport, education documents, skills assessment, and English test results ready. And double check all details. And remember, meeting the points requirement doesn't guarantee an invitation, so patience is a must. So thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you have any more questions, leave a comment below, and I'll see you on the next one.